Is getting a tire patched at Walmart a good idea? Okay, let's talk about Walmart's tire patching service. Getting a flat is one of the more annoying things you can deal with as a car owner. One minute you're cruising along, the next you're pulling over to the dreaded flub 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 sound. If you've gotten a small puncture, you're in luck. Typically, this is a fairly simple fix. And when it comes to patching that tire up, you may consider swinging by Walmart. First things first, Walmart is undeniably convenient. With stores seemingly on every corner of every town across the USA, you're likely not far from one right now. You can roll your injured automobile in, do a bit of shopping, and, hopefully, roll out with a tire that's good as new. Walmart uses a standard procedure for tire repair. They'll remove the tire from the rim, inspect for damage, patch the tire from the inside, remount it, and balance the tire, which is pretty much the best practice for this sort of thing. It's important to note that not all tires can be repaired, like when you've been completely betrayed by a nail on a sidewall. Cost-wise, Walmart comes in on the low end, which is what the retail giant is known for after all. It's usually under $20 for a repair, so it won't break the bank. But how's the actual service? Well, like any service that's based on humans doing human things, your mileage may vary. Some customers get in and out without issue, praising the service for its simplicity and value. Other times you might be met with longer wait times, especially during busy hours, or when there's a queue of other cars ahead of you. Remember, tire technicians at Walmart stores are not always specialists. This isn't their only job, and the training they receive can be variable. This shouldn't be a major issue for a simple tire patch, but if you're looking for a more comprehensive level of care, you might want to consider a dedicated tire shop or local mechanic. Also, not all Walmart auto centers are created equal. Some are going to have newer equipment, some are going to have more experienced staff. You get the point. It might be worth reading through some local Google reviews or asking around for personal experiences before you decide which Walmart to hit up, or if you should go to a specialized tire shop instead. In the end, if you're looking for a quick, low-cost solution to get back on the road, and Walmart is the most convenient option for you, it's not a bad way to go. Just remember to double-check the work, ensure the patch is holding air before you leave, and monitor the tire for a bit after the repair. And, as always, keep an eye on that tire pressure light on your dashboard. It might just save you from a bad day.